Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's go to WhatsApp. See, I'm sending hi from my another device. You can see the message come in. Now I am deleting from there. Now the message has gone. If you want to see the message, what was the message, you have to follow this procedure. Go to your Google Play Store. You have to write here NT delete messages WhatsApp. You have to download the first one. Download completed. Now go to the software. No thanks. Turn this on. Allow it. Go to NT delete this app. Turn the notification on, allow notification access. Now check on it. I am aware of the possible risk, blah blah blah. Now press on OK. Go back again. Click on this, turn on this, allow it, find your app, this one, NT delete, and turn this on. Allow app to start automatically, this one, and allow the app to started by the other apps, this one too. Go back again. Now you can see the messages. See your WhatsApp, there is no messages. Now I'm sending another messages from my another device. Hi, how are you? You can see the message come in. Hi, how are you? But I'm gonna delete from my device. Delete for everyone. Delete this message. You cannot see this message now, but if you want to see this message, go to that app and you can see the message here. Hi, how are you? With the time and date. This is how you can see the deleted messages on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching the video.